Football drama is still going on and a lot of topics being spoken about in the ESL. We are here to bring you all the updates in the world of sports. Let's get you right in. We start with the local stories, and referee Gabriel Arhin and assistant referee Peter Dawsa have been suspended for the rest of the 2021 football season and the first 8 matches of the first round of next season. The GFA match review panel announced this decision after reviewing the video recording the Ghana Premier League with 19 match between Ashanti Gold and Hearts of Oak played at the Lenkley Sports Stadium in Obuasi. Goalkeeper of Ashanti Gold, Kofi Mensah, moved from the baseline before Victor Edu of Hearts of Oak kicked the penalty. The penalty should have been retaken once the goalkeeper moved off this line, but referee Gabriel Arhin and assistant referee Peter Dawsa ignored it in the 17th minute of the first half. Jurgen Klopp is determined to remain Liverpool boss and help sort it after retracing his position to the European Super League. The Reds are one of 12 clubs to agree to join the breakaway competition. Still on Liverpool, and James Milner has openly criticized the proposed Super League breakaway, saying that he hopes it does not happen. The Reds were the first of the 12 clubs to play since they broke the cover, and Milner was vocal in his criticism of what his club are planning. On the European Super League news, and FIFA President Gianni Infantino says there is no doubt whatsoever that football's world governing body disapproves of the proposed competition, and the clubs involved could face consequences. 12 major clubs launched plans yesterday for a new breakaway league, which would drastically change the landscape of world's most popular sports. UEFA has also given the green light for a 36-team Champions League reform, which will include a single league format to replace the group stage. European football's main governing body announced a number of changes to the competition yesterday amid reports of a rival Super League formation, which could see 12 of the biggest clubs on the continent break away. The changes are slated to come into effect in 2024, with fixtures set to be played on Thursdays instead of Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and playoff round added to the first stage. Enough of the football, and now let's go into some tennis. And Roger Federer has confirmed he will play in this year's French Open as he continues his return. Now we move on to NBA, and Nikola Jokic dropped 47 points to lead the Denver Nuggets past the Memphis Grizzlies in a thrilling double overtime win. Nikola Jokic has 47 points, 15 rebounds, and 8 assists, while Barton scored 28, and the Nuggets rallied to beat the Grizzlies 139-137 in double overtime. Jordan Clarkson scored 22 points. Joe Ingles added 21 with 5 3-pointers, and the Utah Jazz beat the Los Angeles Lakers 111-97 last night, splitting the series with the defending NBA champions. The MX Breaks on Sports. I am Selwyn Saki. Keep watching MX24.